Hey everybody, Michael Fennell. Today we're here at the Bob Tiffin Service Center in Red Bay, Alabama, and we're going to be focusing over the next few videos on Wayfarer units. So we're going to be looking at the AC unit and the filters inside the coach today, and then we're also going to be discussing some maintenance tips on your Suburban heating system and your Truma water system. Now that we're inside, I want to show you a couple things in here. So let's talk about the air conditioner first. We want to check these filters and make sure they're clean. So there's two tabs right here located on the AC. You want to just put your fingers in those tabs and pull the screen down. Now this filter that's in here, it works, it slides. So the way you want to get it out is you want to pull one end down, and it has these two tabs. You want to slide it out, and then you want to blow it out with compressed air, clean it. You may want to put it in some soapy water, just some Dawn dish washing liquid. Now once we've got this screen clean, we have a smooth side of the screen, and then we have the ribbed side of the screen where these are actually protruding up. We want to make sure that we get the flat side of the screen placed back in first. That'll keep us from having any contamination into the air conditioner, black mold buildup, and so on. And then we just pop our screen back in. Okay, now that we're on the outside of the unit, just some things to keep in mind as well is you want to make sure that this is free of dirt daubers. They tend to get in here a lot. You have 4 screws located in here. You want to remove those screws and take this panel out, and I would try to blow it out onto the ground. I would not stick compressed air in here and blow it back into the system. Also the Truma can get dirt daubers coming through the vents. You just want to check in here because they'll build up around the sides, and make sure that those are removed, and you can actually blow these out as well. And as always guys, we hope you find these videos beneficial. Thank you for being a valued Tiffin owner. Until next time, happy trails.